Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's episode I will be joining a Windows 10 computer to a Active Directory domain. This video is part of my series on building an enterprise network. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and if you like this video, please do click the like button. Okay, so I have a Windows 10 desktop. This is a clean install. I did assign the computer with a static IP address. So I assigned 10.0.100.10. Alright, so next thing we're going to do is click Start, type in this PC. Go to Properties, and then I'm going to click on rename this PC Advanced, and then I'm going to click Change. I'm going to call this VM dash, let's just call it Yates, and then I'm going to change to the domain and type in secnetwork.org. Click OK. And then I'm going to type in my username and password. And if everything is good, I should now be joined to the domain. So I'm going to click OK. OK, close. And I'm going to restart later because there's one thing I have to do first before I reboot. I'm going to log into HQADMIN. And I'm going to open up the Active Directory users and computers. And I'm going to take the newly joined computer and move it down to virtual. And close this and reboot. All right, so as you can see, we're logging in with our domain credentials. So now that the computer is back up, there's a couple commands I want to run. First is a group policy update, so gp update, and I'm going to force that. All right. So now that that's done, I'm going to look at MMC, and I'm going to run that as an administrator. We're going to add in the snap-in for certificates, and I want computer account. And I just wanted to verify that we did get two certificates, one for remote desktop and the other for server and client authentication. All right, so that concludes today's video on joining a Windows 10 computer to the domain. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider subscribing and clicking the like button.